Hello, I'm Ulrike Dydak, professor at the School of Health Sciences at Purdue University. This poster is on my group's work on elucidating the health risks of exposure to the metal manganese in welders. In our previous work, we have used MRI to visualize the distribution and dynamics of excess manganese in the human brain. Furthermore, using advanced MR spectroscopy techniques, we found significant increases of the neurotransmitter GABA in highly exposed welders. With today's lower exposure, it is assumed that changes in mood, such as depression and anxiety, are amongst the first symptoms to appear. Therefore, the goal of the study was to assess whether manganese exposure in welders is associated with mood changes and whether these changes are reflected in neuroimaging. We studied a cohort of 40 male welders and compared them to a well-matched group of non-exposed shift workers from the same factory. Personal air sampling was used to assess exposure, the brief symptom inventory to assess 9 categories of mood, and MRI and MRS to measure manganese deposition in the brain and GABA changes in the thalamus. We found a shockingly high percentage of our welders and of controls showing clinically significant mood symptoms. If you're interested in finding out which of the mood categories correlated with manganese exposure in welders or with thalamic GABA levels, or whether mood symptoms are reversible with decreasing exposure over 3 years, then please take a closer look at our poster. Thank you for your attention.